Hi everyone, my name is Saurabh Asif Chaudhary. Today date is 30 November 2021 and today's topic name is contentment in Java. So in this video we will discussing about what is contentment in Java, use of contentment in Java, difference between contentment and inheritance and example of contentment. Let's start with contentment. In Java is an object-oriented programming language and contentment is a concept of means object-oriented programming language. Contentment relationship means we can store the object of the class to the member of the another class is called as the contentment. Contentment represent the has a relationship and contentment user to reusability of the code. Let's discuss the difference between contentment and inheritance. Contentment is a contentment relationship store the object of the class to the another class member, and in inheritance we can access the class to the another class by using extend keyword and access all the data members or methods to the another class. This is called as the inheritance. And contentment has a relationship represent the has a relationship and inheritance represent the is a relationship. Let's discuss the simple example of the contentment. If we can create the one class, and in class there are some variable, and we can create another class in which we can add the some variable, and we can add the variable, and in this variable we can store the object of the class 1 as class 1, and by creating the object of this class 2 we can access the class 2 variables as well as class 1 variables in this object of class 2. Let's discuss this example in detail. We can create the class author. In class author we can write the variable author name, author age, and we can create another class name is book, and in class book we can write the variables book name and book price, and we can write another variable which name is author 1, and in author 1 we can save the object of the class book, and by creating the object of class book we can access the variables of the class book, and by calling the variable author 1 of the book we can access all the data, all the variables of the class author. This is the example of the contentment. This is all over the information about the contentment in Java. Thank you.